how to export the data from Google Photos. Now, to export data from Google Photos, if it is a certain number of photos, you can choose to download them manually by selecting them and tapping on the download button to be able to download all of these in this case, right? But if it is not saved in this case, right, because if you have large number of photos, which is not possible to export this data, what I would recommend you do is you open up your browser, and once you open up your browser, go to takeout.google.com. I repeat, takeout.google.com. I'll make sure to drop a link in the description box below. Here under select data to include, first of all, deselect everything. So if all of these are selected, tap on this deselect all button to deselect everything. And under here, we only want to search for Google Photos and only select photos because we are only trying to download the data for our photos. So I'll select Google Photos and I'll select all photo albums included and include all of the photo albums and tap the OK button there. Now I can scroll all the way down, making sure Google Photos is the only one that is selected. I can tap on next, and Google will send me download link via Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or email. So I'll select via email, and file type and size, I will select a zip file. File format maximum is 50 GB, so I'll select up to 50 GB. So if it is more than 50 GB, it's going to split into 50 GB each. But if you select 1 GB and you have got 10 gigabytes of data, it will select into 10 parts of 1 gigabyte. So that's why you want to select the maximum one possible. Then tap on the create export button, and then it will be able to compress it. It will take some time for Google to finalize this data and send it to you via email. But either way, this way you can export your data from Google Photos. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.